In this video, I'm going to show you how to make factory reset if you own the Nokia 2760 Flip. This is Variety Stick 2. Make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and let's find out. Doing factory reset means you want to delete everything on the phone. Let me go ahead and show you, in case if you want to give this to someone else and you don't want them to have your information. So the best thing to do, the factory reset. Now click on the OK key, which is the middle, go to the menu, and from here you need just to scroll down till you get the settings and select through the OK key. Now I need you just to go to device, and that's going to be device, and then the first option, tap device information. Scroll all the way down, you will see reset. Make sure you select reset phone. Tab, you're gonna get caution that you're gonna lose all the information. If you're sure you want to do this, tap this key right there, which is the reset key. I have password, so if you have password you just have to enter password. If you don't have password, then you should be good to go. After this, the phone, it could take up to 3-4 minutes, and the phone will be formatted and it's gonna be like new. You just have to, after you finish the factory reset, to do the first initial setup, and the phone has no information and you're good to go to give it to somebody else or sell it or do whatever you want to do with the phone. That was very much it for that video. Wish you guys find it helpful. If it did, thumbs up, subscribe for more here on Variety Stick 2. Thank you so much. We'll talk to you in the next video.